Now, in our kits, we do include a quick charge port here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you put the quick charge port in. So you've got the switch here, so it's going to give you a pass for USB and a quick charge. So there's a couple options. You can put it obviously like down here. If you're going to go down here, that's cool. Or you can go up here. So 2 trim tools into a top and a bottom of these and like leave them out. Can be a bit of a pain, but just get a trim tool on the top and one on the bottom and then just sort of leave it and pull it out. And you'll eventually end up with it popped out. Obviously we just want to tuck our cables in through the hole and pull them right back out here first. And you see you'll pop those through. You can just I'll grab them with your hand in the back here and you end up with obviously a USB one and a red and black one. Then what we can do is we can obviously push that back into its clip there and you have a nice tidy dual USB port sticking in there with a quick charge on the red and a pass through to our head unit on the black.